Ghost of Flash. Today just woke up, so we didn't play. Oh, now, and I put this on the plate. It should be fit frying. Stop. But sneeze. Why did sneeze? I knew chef. Huh? Who are you? Oh, this always goes up. No. No. See if there's funny fries there. Oops. There though. I have to hurry, so just try. What the heck? Okay, let's do that. No, I'm too late. I'll just let the doors remember. Copy that, I had that shirt. Okay. Lot of cheese. This is a bun. Okay. So for something. Hey, get out. This is my plate. Hey, stop it. Stop it. Everyone stop. I am a YouTuber. Okay, there we go. Let's put the... I thought there was a top on. Then to put the bun. And I have to put oh come on. Stop. I am you super. Tips. Please. On her items. Stop it! Hey, don't. I am you. Okay. I am a YouTuber. Ah! No, that's why I don't want to be. I'm a YouTuber. Oh, this is not mine. Yes. No. And no. I'm retarding. Dean. D. Ah! Why? Right. H. D. Now. Oop. Wow. I'm gonna see if there is a joke on me, but today I'm gonna learn something from being so mean. So yeah, this time I also lie, so I'm not lying anymore. I also the truth now. Okay, now someone deposits money. Okay. Okay. I think there's a burned one. Is it a perfect? That was the only one. That was the only bond. Now we're done of bonds. And the fries. Is the under actually? Oops. Oh, this. What if I put 4 meats? Hey, there are only 4 meats. Did you? Let's order this. Someone. Wait! Eating 3. Oof. Eating the rats. So I didn't grab the rats. I'm just gonna type also. Fit. Now I'm gonna put it on the side. Just this will work. Here. Only small doesn't work. Did and the bug hat. Ah. That looks like a teaspoon. Okay, guys. Oh, I need to sneeze. Why I sneeze? Stop it, sneeze. Please keep my sneeze. Oh! Rubber people. Is it the blue man who's stopping me? There's a no! There's a top him. I need to find no blonde hair. Oh. I just connected, so this is gonna be in this video. Bye. Sorry, I'm being always sneezing. Bye.